How to set up your business hours in Brisk Appointment. Go to the Settings page and click the Weekly Schedule tab. Choose between a 12-hour or 24-hour clock. Select your default appointment duration and set your business hours for each day of the week. Use the Add New Interval button to add multiple available time blocks per day. You can apply the schedule to all days or copy it from the previous day. Mark the days you're open or closed, then click Save Weekly Schedule. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to set up your business hours in Brisk Appointment. To set your business hours, log into your Brisk Appointment account and click the Settings link on the left side of the page. In the Settings section, select the Weekly Schedule tab to customize your availability. Choose your preferred time format by selecting either the 12-hour or 24-hour clock. Select the one that works best for you. The 12-hour clock uses AM and PM. For example, 2 o'clock in the afternoon is shown as 2 o'clock PM. The 24-hour format shows time as a full day clock without using AM or PM. For example, 2 o'clock in the afternoon is shown as 1400 hours. Next, set your default appointment duration by selecting from the drop-down or entering the time in minutes. This duration will be used as the default when creating a new appointment on the Appointments page. In the Weekly Schedule section, set your business hours by selecting the start and end times for each day. If you want to set multiple available time blocks in a day, use the Add New Interval button to split your schedule. For example, into morning and afternoon sessions, so clients can't book during breaks or off hours. This will exclude times in between availability, such as lunch breaks, personal time, or other non-working periods. If your hours are the same each day, click Apply to All Days to apply the current day's schedule to the rest of the week. You can also click Copy from Previous to copy the schedule from the previous day to the current one. Check the box for the days your business is open and uncheck it for the days it's closed. When you're done, click Save Weekly Schedule at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. Note that appointments can only be booked on days marked as open and within the scheduled hours. However, you can still allow appointments outside business hours on those open days if needed. For more Brisk Appointment tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.